In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make mobile hotspot 6G on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to the top side of your screen and slide it down, and then slide it down once more. From here, look for the mobile hotspot shortcut. As you can see, mine is right here, so you want to tap and hold on that, and that will take you to your mobile hotspot settings. So if you take a look right here where it says band, you'll see that it currently says 2.4. We want to click on this, and then basically the slider right here, slide across to 5, and then slide across again to reach 6G, and then click on save at the bottom corner of the screen basically. Now if you can't find this particular setting the way I just showed you, what you can do is head over to your settings and then look for the connections setting right here. Click on this, and then from here scroll down until you find the mobile hotspot and tethering. Click on that, and then click on mobile hotspot at the top here, and then that's going to take you to that same page that I just showed you before, where you can just slide this to the right, and that will get to 6G. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make mobile hotspot 6G on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.